parsha ends with the death of Abraham. And huh? Spoiler alert. Abraham dies at the end of the parsha. I know it's pretty bad. No, but all joking aside, the importance of this is that he was buried in the Ma'at HaMachpelah, the tomb of the patriarchs, which he had bought to bury Sarah, even though it's written that he had wives after Sarah, but his true love, of course, was Sarah. And also, what's important is that Yitzhak or Isaac buries him with the help of Ishmael, that they reconcile at the end. And it's a very important issue. Remember, Ishmael did not have the greatest relationship with the family. He and his mother were kicked out of the family. But in the end, he realized it was for the good, that Yitzhak was to be the leader, and he was to go his separate way and be a leader of other people. And as we know, traditionally, we say that he is the father of the Arabs. The important thing is that they reconcile. They realize we can't live together, okay? But we can at least honor our father together. We have certain things in common. And that's something very important. We have to remember that we live in a society where there's people with different religions, etc. There are certain things we can't bridge, because theologically they're into certain things that we cannot be into. But the important thing is that the concept behind the religion, the idea that we should have a just society, that we should give charity or tzedakah, that we have to maintain a moral structure, that we have in common. And when you have that in common, the other things we can deal with. We can put them to the side and say, okay, we'll worry about those things when we get to the next world, and we'll ask God exactly what is it. But an important thing is to remember that our purpose, as was Abraham's purpose, that he conveyed to both Yitzhak and Ishmael, was that our place here is to make a moral world. And we do that by our actions. And that's why at the end of the Parsha, even though they had disagreements, they could come together to do the right thing and bury Abraham as their father. Something to think about. Kaddish Rabbanim.